Did you know that the right engine additives can squeeze out 15 to 20% better fuel economy and keep your power plant running strong for an extra 100,000 miles or more? But here's the brutal truth most drivers never hear. The majority of bottles on the shelf are expensive snake oil that can actually destroy your engine. In this video, I'm breaking down 13 additives that genuinely deliver results and 5 you should never touch. Stick around until the end because one of them is so dangerous it can literally kill, not just your motor but you. Let's dive into the ones that actually work. Number 1. Techron Concentrate Plus. We're starting strong with one of the most trusted names in fuel system cleaning, Techron Concentrate Plus from Chevron. This stuff is quietly endorsed by several major manufacturers including GM and BMW, and plenty of master technicians swear by it in the bays. What makes it special is the high concentration of polyethyramine, or P, a powerful detergent proven in lab and real-world testing to dissolve stubborn carbon deposits on injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Drivers regularly report smoother running, reduced pinging, and gains of up to 2 miles per gallon. That said, it shines brightest on older or neglected engines that have been fed cheap gas for years. On a brand new car, it might not feel dramatic. Always follow the exact dosing instructions, 1 bottle per full tank, and give it time to work through a couple of tanks. Results build with consistent use. Number 2. ATS Chemical 505 CRF Fuel System Treatment. When a no-nonsense mechanic with decades of experience puts his reputation behind a product, you pay attention. Scotty Kilmer has long recommended ATS 505 CRF, and for good reason. Like Techron, it uses potent P chemistry, but this formula tackles 4 different types of carbon buildup across port and direct injection systems. Bonus, it works on both gas and diesel engines. Many high-mileage owners see oil consumption cut in half, throttle response sharpen noticeably, and quieter valvetrain and timing chains. Expect 1.3 mpg gains or roughly 13% better economy on average, which can save hundreds a year at the pump. It's premium priced, but for tired engines it often pays for itself fast. Perfect bridge to our next category, oil additives. Number 3. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Most oil additives are marketing hype that end up clogging passages or accelerating wear. But Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer is different. It's basically a super thick Group I mineral oil designed specifically for worn engines with loose bearing clearances and low oil pressure. It fills those gaps, quiets knocking, boosts pressure, and dramatically cuts oil burning. We're talking viscosity over 2,500 centistokes at operating temp, nothing like your normal 5W30. Critical warning: never use this in a modern or healthy engine. It can slow variable valve timing, cause foaming, and in a turbo it's a recipe for disaster. This is strictly for grandpa's high-mileage classic that's starting to rattle. Follow the instructions precisely. Number 4. Liqui-Moly Mo S2 Anti-Friction Engine Treatment. Roughly 1/3 of the fuel you burn fights internal friction, and up to 62% of your engine's energy turns into heat instead of forward motion. That's why Liqui-Moly Mo S2 is brilliant for older iron. This German-made additive lays down a tough, pressure-resistant molybdenum disulfide boundary layer on metal surfaces that can slash friction by up to 50% in the valvetrain. Taxi fleets in Europe have relied on it for decades, and it's proven in aerospace and industrial applications where failure isn't an option. You'll notice quieter cold starts and smoother operation almost immediately. Safe for gasoline, diesel, turbos, and particulate filters. Just keep it out of brand new engines that still need proper break-in friction for the rings to seat correctly. Number 5. Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Modern ultra-low sulfur diesel is clean but stripped of its natural lubricity, causing accelerated wear on injectors and high-pressure pumps that can cost $5,000+ to replace. Hot Shot's Everyday Diesel Treatment fixes that problem at the source. Independent tests show it reduces wear scars by up to 159 microns and raises cetane by as many as 7 points, exactly what modern diesels crave for complete combustion and easy starts. Many users see 5–7% better fuel economy and noticeably quieter operation. Best part, it's safe for new and old diesels alike. If your diesel is truly ancient though, start with the next product first. Number 6. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam has been around for over 80 years for a reason. This versatile formula works as a fuel system cleaner, oil additive, and crankcase treatment for both gas and diesel. You can pour it into the gas tank, the crankcase, or even run it through the intake. Tens of thousands of real-world reports show reduced oil consumption, smoother performance, and better economy. It's not the absolute strongest cleaner, it lacks high-dose P, so it performs best on reasonably maintained higher-mileage engines rather than horribly neglected ones. But the convenience of one bottle that does multiple jobs makes it a staple in many toolboxes. Number 7. Marvel Mystery Oil. Over 100 years old and still going strong, Marvel Mystery Oil earned its legendary status honestly. It cleans fuel systems, stabilizes oil, loosens sludge, and reduces varnish and gum in both gas and diesel engines. Mechanics have seen clogged EGR valves come back to life after a single treatment, saving owners hundreds in replacement costs. You'll often notice quieter idle and smoother running right away, ideal for classic cars and high-mileage daily drivers that need a multi-purpose refresher. Number 8. Hot Shot Secret Diesel Winter Anti-Gel. Winter diesel nightmares are real. Gelled fuel lines, no starts, and tow truck bills. Hot Shot's Diesel Winter Anti-Gel drops the cold filter plugging point dramatically, from around +10 degrees F untreated all the way down to -40 degrees F. It also boosts cetane and economy at the same time. Treat your fuel before the first freeze for best results. For gasoline engines, their gas line antifreeze does the same job. Don't wait until your truck won't crank. Number 9. BG-MOA Motor Oil Additive. Stuck piston rings are one of the most expensive oil-related failures, $2,000 to $3,500 easily. BG-MOA was engineered to prevent exactly that. It cleans carbon from rings, stabilizes viscosity, and fights sludge and varnish while boosting the oil's total base number (TBN) by up to 40%. This keeps the oil from turning acidic and eating your bearings and cylinders. You might not feel dramatic changes immediately, but over thousands of miles it protects and extends engine life. Another winner for older vehicles. Number 10. Lucas TB Zinc Plus. Pre-1994 classic cars with flat tappet cams need high ZDDP levels that modern oils simply don't provide anymore. Lucas TB Zinc Plus takes standard oil from 600-800 ppm zinc all the way above 5,000 ppm, perfect for classics, break-in, or racing. Use it carefully on new engines and change the oil after break-in. This is the go-to for keeping vintage iron alive and happy. Number 11. CRC GDI Intake Valve and Turbo Cleaner. Direct injection engines build up to 40% more carbon on intake valves than port-injected ones, leading to misfires, rough idle, and power loss. CRC GDI-specific cleaner delivers a heavy dose of P straight to the valves. Borescope tests show visibly cleaner valves after proper use. Follow the exact application instructions. It's not just pour and drive and repeat every 10,000 miles. At around $17 per treatment versus $800 dealer walnut blasting, it's one of the smartest maintenance investments you can make. Number 12. Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner. Gumout's Fuel Injector Cleaner is a budget hero that still packs real P chemistry. It cleans injectors, valves, and ports effectively in gasoline engines and is gentle enough for newer cars when used as directed. A tiny $5 bottle treats 21 gallons. For broader protection, step up to their all-in-one fuel system cleaner. Best results on older or poorly maintained cars. Number 13. At205 Reseal. If I could only keep one additive in my garage, this would be it. At205 Reseal is a true plasticizer that restores elasticity to hardened rubber seals and gaskets, stopping leaks in engines, transmissions, power steering, differentials, and hydraulics. You can even spray it externally on suspension bushings and boots. High-mileage cars almost always need this eventually. Prevent thousands in leak repairs and keep your vehicle tight and reliable for years longer. Now that we've covered the 13 additives that actually work, let's talk about 5 you should avoid at all costs. Number 1. Off-the-shelf octane boosters promising 10+ point gains. Unless you're running a serious performance engine, you don't need octane boosters. Most cheap bottles deliver almost nothing. 1 point is just zero point 0.1 octane. Real gains require serious chemistry. Many contain MMT that leaves destructive orange deposits on plugs and O2 sensors, leading to $1,000 plus repair bills. Number 2. Teflon-based oil additives. Slick 50 and similar PTFE products sounded revolutionary until the FTC hit them with a $10 million fine for false advertising. NASA testing showed the particles clog filters and passages. They don't reduce wear and can cause serious engine damage. Number 3. Engine rebuilders in a can. Any product claiming to rebuild worn metal with copper, silver, or lead is pure fantasy. These thickeners only mask symptoms temporarily before causing more harm. Real rebuilds happen in machine shops, not bottles. Number 4. Ford Diesel Anti-Gel and Performance Improver. It technically works, but independent testing, including Project Farm, ranks it near the bottom. Hot Shots, Peak, and Amstel dominate the top spots. Save your money and buy a proven winner. Number 5. Anything containing tetrethyl lead, TEL. This is the one that can literally kill. TEL was the original octane booster, but it's a severe neurotoxin that destroys catalytic converters, poisons the environment, and damages your brain, liver, and kidneys. It's banned for road vehicles in most countries for excellent reason. Stay far away. There you have proven additives that can improve performance, reduce wear, and extend engine life, especially on older or high-mileage cars. If you want your vehicle to easily hit 500,000 miles without major drama, check out my video on the 13 daily habits that make cars last forever. Drop a comment with your favorite additive or the one you're thinking about trying. Smash like if this helped you save money and protect your engine, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.